Joining at KTN News Desk, and we continue in our coverage of stories making headlines today. President William Ruto is officially opening the Ngong Road, Naivasha Road overpass near Junction Mall. It's an 800-meter elevated dual carriageway flyover, including approaches to ease the notorious congestion witnessed along Ngong Road, Naivasha Road and Kingara Road Junction. It is a game changer as it is expected to cut travel time between Ngong Road and Nairobi CBD and improve access to Talanta Stadium. Ahead of AFCON 2027, we're going to cross over now live where President William Ruto is speaking.
$1 billion. Phase 3 will deliver another 45 kilometers of road at an estimate of 2.5 billion. Our objective is straightforward. Every ward in Nairobi should benefit from modern, reliable road infrastructure. Development cannot be reserved for a few neighborhoods, while others are left behind. Every Kenyan deserves safe roads, better access, and equal opportunity. We are equally strengthening Nairobi's resilience through a shillings 2 billion drainage improvement program that will reduce flooding and protect homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure during periods of heavy rainfall. And that program already has been agreed between the city of Nairobi and the government of Kenya to make sure that that happens. Mobility is the foundation upon which modern cities are built. When transport is efficient, businesses become more competitive. Investors gain confidence, and goods reach markets faster. Workers spend more time creating value than sitting in traffic. Families reclaim time that would otherwise be lost on the road. That is why these investments matter. They are not simply investments in roads. They are investments in economic growth, productivity, competitiveness, and a better quality of life in our city. We will continue.
And from roads to Kenya and